hotels with Little Mama! And I'm staying at Nickelodeon Hotels and Resorts, Punta Cana. Let me show you! Cheers!
Guys, welcome to Nickelodeon.
Let me show you the coolest hotel room ever! It's Nickelodeon, you know. Come on in. First, it's huge! Us kids like to jump, you know, and there's a lot of space to do that. Belly flop! I'm okay. Check out this couch. It's so comfy. It even came with treats already, and I want to eat them. And let me show you the coolest part. Ready? 3, 2, 1, time out! Told you it was the coolest room ever. Bye-bye. SpongeBob! Bye-bye. I love my room. Now let's go to the pool party.
This is truly paradise.
But does the food taste good? Bring it on. We all know I'm the best food critic. It better be good, or else.
SpongeBob!
Are you happy now?
Did you know I'm on vacation and I had unlimited ice cream?
No, you can't have unlimited ice cream as a boil.
I can't wait to get slime today.
Slime! Slime!
Ninja Turtles! Let's go! Let's not forget the Krabby Patty. Ugh.
What's wrong?
It's like a childhood dream come true.
Welcome to Cooking with Little Mama and my friends! Yay! Today we're making the ultimate slime drink. Let me show you. First, get a slime. Slime! You know what a straw is for? A donut. There. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What?
Donut! Cake in. Cake in. Don't forget the healthy part. Somehow. Healthy! This is my best slime yet. You're welcome. Cheers! Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This is good.
We're gonna go meet SpongeBob. Yay!
SpongeBob! SpongeBob!
He waved at me.
Now I'm going to a big beach party.
Hey, are you ready for the all-white party?
Yeah!
We look really good today. We clean up well, and you know it. Oh! Why do you have a drink already? It's a boil.
Give it to me.
Have fun?
Yeah!
Okay, there's a pool there, and here, there's pools everywhere.
We're going in SpongeBob's house.
SpongeBob!
This is SpongeBob's real pineapple under the sea. Like dairy. This isn't just SpongeBob's pineapple. It's a whole villa. Let's go inside. Look at this room. It's huge. This room is meant for me, you know. Whee!
Time to come down, Isabel.
Never! Let me show you how I take a bath. It's outside, you know. Hey, what's he doing in there? Beep beep boop, beep beep boop. Hello? Santa, did you know I'm living in a pineapple now? Bye bye. Time to cool off in style. I'm here at the orange carpet and it's fancy.
Yeah, we're on Nickelodeon's orange carpet, and they're kicking off with balloon animals, face paint, nails. Fancy.
Me, pudding. I love Nickelodeon hotels and resorts, Punta Cana. Can we come